Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Jess channel, and today in this video we're gonna do some material study for fruit. So to start, I have this template of the trendy fruit that I'm gonna draw laying out evenly on this piece of paper. Now I find that material study is really fun and relaxing because when I do a painting, I have to worry about many things such as composition, color, light, shadow, and all that stuff gotta be mixed well together. But for material study, I only have to focus on one thing and one thing only, and that is the material. Now I find that material study teach me a very important skill, and that is observation. Take watermelon for an example. You see how the outside of the watermelon is more smooth and shiny versus the inside more like a sponge texture, so you gotta able to describe that into your painting. You know, when I was a little kid, they told me that if I eat the watermelon seed, it's gonna grow in my stomach. So silly. I find that another important thing when it comes to try to mimicking the texture of the fruit is try to get the color right. Because you know, a lot of these fruit, they have a very distinctive color. So once you have the color right, you like halfway there. Toward the end of the video, I have some tropical fruit that for those of you who doesn't live in a tropical country, you may not know. So leave a comment below if you have seen these fruit before or have you tried them before. Where saw these leaves coming from? I think the one I struggle the most in this whole material study is the strawberry. I think right now it looks a little too plasticky, like it doesn't exactly how I want it. But I'm not sure how to fix it, so let's just move on and maybe we'll come back to it later. Now the next fruit I'm drawing is what you call a durian, and I have a funny story about that. So for those of you who don't know, durian is a tropical fruit that they taste sweet and they have a wooden texture to it, so it tastes really good. However, they have a very distinctive smell that you either hate it or love it. So one time I was bringing this fruit to work just for my coworker to try it out because some of them never heard of it, never tried before, and just as expected, not a lot of them like it, and I'm pretty sure some of them was puking eating it because of the smell. Also, the smell was lingering around the office for a couple of days, and I'm pretty sure after that they told me not ever to do that again. It was hilarious. For this material study, it took me in total about 3.5 hours, but I feel like I can go on so much longer because it's so much fun. My most favorite one, I gotta say, I think it's the apple. I think the apple was really simple, so at the beginning I was worried that it's just gonna be too bland and too simple, but with the color and everything, I think it turned out really good. So I like the apple the best. So that's for the material study today. What? What's wrong with my face? Ah! It's gonna grow in my stomach.